Two of my very favorite comfort foods is French onion soup and grilled cheese sandwiches. Well, today I'm going to combine those two into an incredible sandwich that will blow you away. Let's do this. Hi, this is Scott, and welcome to my new series, Something Awesome with Scott. Here we're going to be sharing some exciting places, some interesting local spots, great food, great drink, and so much more. But before we get started, do me a favor and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell so you get notifications of new videos. And if you like this today, hit a like and maybe a comment on today's video. Thank you. So, let's get started. So today I'm making my French onion grilled cheese sandwich. This is to die for, and it's probably gonna be the best sandwich you've ever tasted. But here, I gotta show you what goes into it first. Okay guys, this is what you're gonna need to make this super good sandwich. So you're gonna need some sweet onions. You need a 1.5 of sliced sweet onions. You can use really any variety you want, but it should be sweet. So you need a couple cups of freshly grated Gruyere cheese. Can you use Swiss cheese? Sure, but this is really the best. You're gonna need some beef stock. You're gonna need some olive oil. You need some softened butter with some thyme mixed into it. I use dry thyme today because I don't have any fresh herbs at this moment, but if you had fresh, that would work. And you're gonna need some vermouth. Of course, you're gonna need bread. I use a multi-grain bread that's extra large size. Some people like sourdough. I don't. So this is why I don't use sourdough. So let's get cooking. Okay, in a big fry pan, preferably cast iron. A little oil, a little butter, because we're fancy like that. Medium-low heat. Get those onions on. We need them to cook low and slow. That's what's going to bring out the natural sweetness. And don't think you can cut up that last piece that you didn't get cut up with that wooden spoon. Just get it the heck out of there. All right, 10 minutes, let it cook covered. After 10 minutes, this is where we're going to put some really good stuff in it. So, first thing we're going to put in is some vermouth. You could use cooking sherry, you could use red wine, but why not save the wine to drink? That's the way I roll. Next, you're going to need some beef stock. That's going to add some complexity and richness. Oh yeah. Going to spice things up a little bit. We need some kosher salt. Look how fancy we put our spices in little dishes. Got some ground black pepper. Don't be shy on the pepper. It's gonna help offset the sweetness of the onions. Then we got some dried thyme. My wife and I picked up this dried thyme on the island of Crete in Greece this last September, but you know, you can just get yours from the grocery store. No need to go that far. probably an overkill, I guess. But we're just going to mix that all together, let it cook down. The juices are going to reduce as it does, bring out the natural sugars of the onion. And you got to find something to do for about 30 minutes. Myself, I mix the drink. Let's head outside. Love it when the weather starts getting nice in the Northwest. Stop in and say hi to Bo the dog. Hi, Bo. Of course, I have to get terrorized by the cat. It's a daily occurrence. After the cat, I figured I needed one more because we still got to cook those onions down. But pretty soon, all those juices will start to go away, and we're going to get something just like this. This is what we're looking for, caramelized goodness. Yeah. Once we're there, we're going to push it off. We'll start building our sandwich. Lots of cheese. Don't be shy on the cheese. Cheese is our friend. Love that shredded Gruyere cheese. We're going to add the caramelized onions now. Yeah, just slather them in there. They're going to mix with that cheese. Yeah, there we go. Of course, now we need more cheese. Remember what I said, cheese is our friend. Try to keep it on the sandwich. Clearly that's an issue for me. I'm surprised I didn't shove that in my mouth. Put the top layer of bread on, and this is where you're going to add the thyme butter. It's that softened butter with some dried thyme in it. Slather that puppy up. Get it ready to go in the fry pan. Nobody said, gosh, I wish we didn't put butter on that. Medium heat, same routine, little oil, little butter in the fry pan. Now we're going to set that puppy in there. Yeah. Clearly I was kind of obsessed with moving it around. You could just lay yours in there, I guess. So now we're going to add some more thyme butter. See how smart we were? We waited to put it on until the other piece of bread was pointing at us. Otherwise, it gets all over your cutting board. I guess you just have to be smarter than that. Now we're going to let it cook for about 4 minutes. I found this lid in the garage. It'll do. After 4 minutes, we're going to check on it. Should be beautifully toasty brown. Let's take a look. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That cheese is already getting wonderful. So we're going to cover back up for another 3-4 minutes. Let the other side brown. Now the pan's hot by now. Notice the hot mitt. Push it off the burner. Find yourself that freakishly small, really old cutting board. And let's take a look at what we have. Oh my gosh. Melty cheese, crispy bread, caramelized onions. But we need to let that sit for about 5 minutes. We're going to let that rest and all those flavors come together. Cheese will continue to melt. Oh, but look at that. Ooey gooey goodness. Can't wait. So after our sandwich rested for 5 minutes, we're going to cut into it. See what we have. I think I already know what we have. Look at that. You want to see something sexy, though? Okay, guys, this is the moment of truth. Tell me that that's not beautiful. Look at the gooey cheese, the Gruyere cheese, the caramelized onions, the perfectly toasted bread with that thyme butter on it. Oh, man. So, I'm gonna serve it up for myself with a Vouvred wine, which is a French varietal from our own Mary Hill Winery here in Washington State. Now, they're not a sponsor of mine, but Mary Hill, if you're listening, get a hold of me. So here's the moment of truth, guys. Look at this. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Just look at that. I'm telling you guys, this is the best sandwich that you will ever eat. I hope you enjoyed this. Okay, guys. So I was infatuated with that sandwich so much that I forgot to have some of my wine. Perfect. So that was my first episode of Something Awesome with Scott. I hope you enjoyed it. I really enjoyed making it for you. That sandwich is incredible. I'm looking forward to bringing you more fun things, more things that are great and awesome, things that I love. So just once again, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you get news when I have a new video out. If you enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed my sandwich, if you think I'm a goofball, whatever, give me a like and a comment on here. I would so much appreciate it. Have a great day, and I will see you soon. So today I'm making a French onion grilled cheese scene. I have no idea.
Oh, that is delicious. Yummy.
Oh, I love it.
Fabulous.